Let's do a small correction in the geometry before jumping into meshing. I noticed that I miscounted the points, so the location of the guide curves is incorrect. This is just a quick fix, so let's go through it. First, we can turn on guide curves 1, edit sketch, turn on inlet normal. Okay, the gap here is 6 supposedly. 1, 2, from this is the baseline. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I already corrected mine a bit, so yours might be slightly different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say if this is wrong, this is at 5, for example, you can just click on this point and delete all the relationship with this inlet normal. So it should not, you can delete coincident as well as being tangent to this inlet normal. And then just click this point and make it coincident to the correct one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is okay. 1, 2, 3. Can be 5, can be 6. It's up to you. Okay, now I can turn on segments. You can see here, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the mistake. Okay, I can turn on normal lines 1. Okay. Just select on the point, delete, as well as the relationship with the existing line. Okay. Select the point, and select the point where it should go. Hit linear, and that's it. You can adjust the points here if you wish to, but for me, this is okay. And that's it.